Hi, today we'll be looking at how and where to use XSORB Universal Super Absorbent. XSORB is amazingly absorbent, safe and easy to use, and environmentally friendly. XSORB absorbs up to 7.5 times as much as clay and cuts cleanup labor costs by up to 70%. XSORB absorbs liquids by means of encapsulation. The liquid absorbed actually becomes trapped within the particle, which contributes to the exceptional absorption qualities and holding power of XSORB. XSORB is not damaging to asphalt, cement, tile, soil, animal, or plant life. It does not leach and is approved for proper landfill disposal. XSORB meets the requirements of the FDA and Agri-Food Canada for use in food establishments. XSORB Super Absorbent can be used anywhere there are leaks or spills, such as factories, automotive or machine shops, municipalities, shopping malls, in property management, and in your own home. Thank you for watching and choosing XSORB products to sweep spills away.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.